Hi everyone and welcome to our first recipe. Today I'm going showing you how to cook pasta al sugo or tomato sauce if you like. But before we start I want to add some information to this recipe. First, be careful to watch on the box the cooking time because every type of pasta has a different timing. Second, when you drain pasta, don't wash it. It's not our culture to wash pasta. It's Asia cuisine that do it, not Italian. So this is all. And if you have some comments or if you have some questions, write down below. And here we go to cook this wonderful pasta. Ingredients for 2 people: a chopped slice of onion and a slice of garlic, extra virgin oil for the pan, tomato sauce 200 grams, a pinch of salt, 80 grams of pasta, this type is called caserecce, coarse salt. Let's prepare the sauce or sugo. In a pan, pour a little bit of extra virgin oil. When it's hot enough, if you like, you can add a slice of garlic and let it brown. Add chopped onion and brown it as well. When both onion and garlic are ready, pour tomato sauce in the pan. Add a pinch of salt. After some minutes, you can remove the garlic from the pan. Let the sugo cook for about 10-15 minutes. Make sure that it doesn't burn. Set the fire on low-medium level. In the meantime, we can prepare a pot with some water and leave it on fire till it boils. When it boils, add coarse salt. For 2 people, a handful is enough. Add pasta and let it cook till it's ready. Pay attention that the water doesn't come out, but if it happens, you can just lower the flame. At the end, we drain pasta and pour it in the sauce and blend it well. Serve it with some parmesan if you like. I personally don't like it, but it's up to you. And now taste it!